Go ahead. Just walk over there with me. Oh, all right. I thought you were going. Oh, all right.
Because I don't drink a lot of water now.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi, everybody.
Is this everything you thought it would be?
I don't know what I thought, Kiloh, really.
It's a bumpy ride, that's for sure.
I'm not.
We're in an old troop carrier, man. Going through like 10-foot deep ditches, man.
Plus I'm nervous, that's why I eat it.
This is Anastasia. It's called Antelope Ruins.
That's where they live.
Yeah.
I got all this mess on my head.
Because the wind is blowing.
Because the wind is really high. I'm not going down there.
No, I don't blame you.
No, I'm going back.
All right. Pueblos. They think that used to be 4 stories tall.
That thing?
Yeah, 4 stories tall. It just fell down. And they think about 75 to 100 people lived there at one time. Yep. In all those buildings. And then, can you see the pictographs up on the canyon? The antelope, that's why it's called Antelope. Antelope, yeah. See the antelopes up on the...
Right?
Yeah, climbing up on the wall.
Yeah, I saw it.
This is 800 feet tall. This bend, this canyon. Oh man, it's up there. Pretty amazing. Okay, I'm gonna